Petitioner is hereby directed to pay an amount of rupees to the respondent, which was school fee of the children.
I am seeking for enhancement. What I sought for in the year 2013 was 30 lakhs. Later, my lord, I amended my own application. That amendment was also allowed. That is not been challenged. I amended it to from 30 lakhs to 1 crore 6 lakhs. He has suppressed several facts, including he is a director of 3 companies.
4 lakhs per month I must deposit
Yes, my lord. Yes,
because she is pursuing foreign education. She doesn't want to talk to me for the past 14 years. They don't respect
No,
me
no.
visiting.
All those things I
On
will
that I'll
demonstrate,
come.
my lord.
Let's see the impugned order.
Huh.
Then you can make your submissions.
Please, my lord. Page number 47, my lords. The matter was then taken up only on these 2 IAs based on the direction of this honorable court.
Yes.
Page number 47, my lords. IA number 10 and 11 filed with.
Starts from somewhere before. It starts from 26.
My
Order
lord.
starts from 26. I think.
Yes, my lord. 26, my lord.
So ultimately what the court did, IA number 10 and 11 filed with respondent
Disposed
or
of.
partly allowed. Petitioner is hereby directed to pay an amount of rupees to the respondent, which was school fee of the children. Directed to pay towards arrears of maintenance admitted by him to the children. Pay the said amount within 2 months from the date of this order. So now his grievance is that withdrawal is not accepted.
No, that is not the case, my lord. That was also added in the direction. If at all, if there is a memo of it all, that also should be considered. I'm not on that, my lords. As far as the direction goes, my lord, these 2 applications ought to have been considered and disposed of on merit. My grievance before this honorable court is that, my lord, I'm seeking for enhancement. What I sought for in the year 2013 was 30 lakhs. Later, my lord, I amended my own application. That amendment was also allowed. That is not been challenged. I amended it to from 30 lakhs to 1 crore 6 lakhs. What is granted is this. And to grant this also, my lord, not all the merits have been considered, especially the assets and liabilities that is being filed by the respondent. He has suppressed several facts, including he is a director of 3 companies. That has been suppressed. Based on his admissions, including he says that before this honorable court in criminal petition 869, some amount was given to me. That itself, he treats it as a maintenance awarded by this honorable court. And that has been accepted. Though I have filed my written arguments, contended that is not the case.
Tell your own enhancement.
Yes, ma'am.
What about you?
My lord, I may be permitted to read the order, my lord. Order of the trial.
The grounds that we will read the order. On what ground you are questioning the whatever that is granted?
Quantum
Is on the high.
is on the high. But
Let's read the order.
all the same, I have given the entire amount as ordered by the trial court. The first order your lordship may kindly see is the petitioner is hereby directed to pay an amount of rupees 1,98,000 to the respondent, which was school fees of the children. The second order, petitioner is also directed to pay rupees 3,21,000 towards arrears of maintenance as admitted by him to the children. Now, my lord, this 3,21,000 maintenance I have paid and he has acknowledged. The other day, I handed over 2 DDs in favor of 2 girls. That I have complied.
I have filed a reply to that.
Yes, he has
Without
filed a
prejudicing
reply
my right,
with
I have-
protest. He wants to
One
take
minute,
it.
1 minute. No, there must be both the kids. What is the age of?
Now both are adults, my lord. Now, my lords, I have also filed another application. I've served a copy just now, my lord. The elder daughter now, she got an opportunity to go to abroad for the masters, my lord. And I'm also seeking, some money towards.
4 lakhs per month I must deposit
Yes, my lord. Yes,
because she is pursuing foreign education. She doesn't want to talk to me for the past 14 years. They don't respect
No,
me
no.
visiting.
All those
wife.
things I
On
will
that I'll
demonstrate,
come.
my lord.
I'll come,
All
let
those
my
things are
friend
not correct, is what I'm going to demonstrate. In fact, in this case, their only contention is,
Asking 4 lakhs per month. It's a very big figure.
my lord, I may pass it on this application, my lord.
Hmm.
already served the copy to other side, my lord. She's a meritorious student